Guys, yesterday I did recorded a video telling you guys to start small, right? And some people did listen to what I said, and they actually acted on my recommendation that I gave them to start small and grow their portfolio in estate. But let's be serious for once, right? Because I keep saying this to people, right? If you want to grow in a business, you have to put in a little bit of effort, right? Imagine, let me show you this, right? Imagine somebody in estate that started with $10, right? Only $10 to purchase a fraction of the Miami apartment. And the person has been on this $10 apartment since October 2025. That is a serious matter, right? Why would you want to get stuck with $10 apartment purchase for this long, right? Which means you are not growing. So I want you guys to be a little bit serious here. When you are looking for passive income, you do want to put in some effort, right? So for example, this person, okay, I've used this screenshot in maybe one or two of my videos in the past, right? This person purchased a fractional real estate in the villa property, right? And look at what the person is earning. Okay, this person is earning between $15 to $17 on a daily basis, 5 days a week, Mondays to Friday, right? There is no earnings on Saturdays and Sundays, but Mondays to Friday, you will be able to earn on a daily basis, right? This person made an effort and purchased a property of $3,120. That is the minimum to purchase this property. Compare to somebody that purchased a property of $10. Look at on my right hand side here, look at the money the person is earning. So the question is, will this change your life? With this kind of earning, will it change your life? The answer is no, of course, right? But will this change your life? The answer is yes, because this is a lot of money coming in on a daily basis. So we are looking at between $300 and $400 every single month extra income passively coming into your portfolio, coming into your finances, coming into your own pocket, into your wallet. This makes a big difference, right? So let me show you one more screenshot here, right? This is one of our team members in estate that has invested more than $148,000. You can see the asset purchase $148,634. This person is serious, right? I'm not saying you should invest this kind of money if you don't have it. Well, the point I'm trying to make here is put a little bit of effort, right? Try to be serious. And the person has even earned over 100K since the investment. Now you can see the list of all the properties that the person invested on, right? The land plot, the business, the commerce, and then villa, desert villa, house, lake house, apartment, and then there's nothing on the apartment in the Miami apartment, which is the $10 apartment. There's nothing there. He did not even purchase anything $10 there, as you can see from this screenshot, right? So, guys, I am very happy for some people that understand this business, that are basically tapping into the potential that this business has, okay, to give to everybody. So guys, don't sit on this. Don't just sit on your $10 investment. That's the point I'm trying to make. Try to make a little bit of effort to purchase, a lot more properties with a higher earning potential, okay? Because if you do so, you will be able to earn more. For example, this screenshot is showing Villa Mawu that has been purchased for $7,600. The person has already made 4% from the purchase. And then the desert villa here, the person made already 23% from just $1,000 investment, right? Or purchase of fractional real estate. And then you will see the villa, okay? The villa has done 40% already, and the house has done 38% already in profit. Okay, so why would you want to stay on this $10 property? I don't know the reason why. So guys, let's be serious for once. Let's be serious for once. If you want to make good money, $10 is not going to make that money for you, right? So I am just making sure that you guys are getting my message, because I don't like to see people getting stuck in one place and not progressing. Okay, so I am recording this video to tell you to go back to your back office, look at what is happening, and look at the list of properties that you can, just scale up your investment. That's the point. When you scale up your investment, you scale up your daily earnings, right? So guys, thank you very much. I just thought I should let you guys know that we have to be serious about our involvement in estate, our purchase of fractional real estate and all of that, so that we earn a better income, okay, passively, of course. So guys, thank you. And for those that are watching this video for the first time, if you are looking to sign up for estate, the link to do so is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. Thank you very much, and God bless.